Hey, Allie. Allie, we got our Boxycharm. Let's check it out. Name is Fantasy. S-E-A. Let's start with Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Wash your face. This is cute. Oh, it's Beauty Bakery. I've never tried anything from their brand. I've always wanted to try something. It says flour, better not bitter flour, setting powder. I'm so excited to try this. Yay! We have Mud Masky. Never heard of that brand. Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming. That's a lot of stuff going on there. But we love an eye boost, especially over 40 peeps. What else? Bazy Beauty Lip Oil. Not sure I don't know about that. And then we got an 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling aid. What does that mean? Oh, it's for your hair. Yay! I love that. What'd you get in your box? So, Allie, was the Boxycharm Amberific? We got some good stuff this month.